Thermoflow 12 kW. This is another on-demand tankless water heater. However, it is most suitable for minimal usage. You can enjoy a consistent and seamless hot water supply as long as you do not use multiple fixtures in a bigger household. The flow rate of Thermoflow 12 kW is at 1.8 GPM and offers you heating efficiency of up to 99%. The German self-modulating technology regulates temperature pretty well and uses power only when you need the hot water up supply. However, in order to get instant hot water with adequate pressure, you must have a decent and steady inlet temperature or expect flow fluctuations. You can adjust the temperature via a digital LCD control panel. It allows you to increase or decrease the temperature by 1 degree on each press. The maximum temperature range is between 104 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The design is compact, and you can easily wall mount it anywhere in your household. This is perfect if you live in a condominium or an apartment, and this conserves space usage. However, you must always verify with the supplier if you are getting the right size for the area you wish to install it in. That said, Thermoflow is capable of heating up to 2 gallons per minute and offers you a maximum flow rate of 2.8 GPM. The Flex 12 technology used in this water heater is suitable for areas where the temperature may fall to 57 degrees Fahrenheit. You will also get a backlit LCD panel using touchscreen technology. While it offers convenience of use, it may fall short when it comes to dealing with a household with heavy hot water needs. Pros: saves energy, stylish and compact design, wall mountable. Cons: only suitable for small apartments, hard to get through to customer service. Pressure may drop if used excessively.